Ayan, may nakita kong maliit na eel. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Slowly moving away from me. Hindi naman kita kukunin. Pipicturean lang kita. So, it would be nice if you could give me a small smile, even a little smile. Ayan, my little eel. So, ayan. Bye, little eel. Ayan. Bye, little eel. I'm not gonna hurt you. Just taking photos of you. Don't worry. Happy New Year, little eel.